Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to duplicate items in Minecraft 1.20 Java. Firstly, you need to gather the item you want to duplicate. Just place a chest right in the front of you in the Minecraft world. 2. Store the item in the chest. Just open the chest and place the desired item inside. And after placing it, close the chest by pressing the close button in the screen's corner. Now, reopen the chest and click on the item you placed inside. Then check your inventory to confirm the item is still there. You should see a replica of the item in your inventory. Now, all you have to do is save the game and quit. Go back to your Minecraft world and the item should now appear as duplicated in the chest. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.